I have noticed that this shoulder here is too light compared to the color here. That means I will have to lighten a little bit of these fold here and darken this shoulder, because the light comes here and this part of the painting is more in the shadow, and I find that this compared to this is getting a little this is too light. Let me zoom in to show you better what I mean. Here it's too dark compared to here, so I will lighten these folds and darken the shoulder, and then I will take care of her forearms. What I would like to do is to bring the folds a little lighter, is to impastose these little folds here, and on the shoulder I will glaze the shoulder. I'm not doing a real glaze, meaning I'm gonna thin my light gray with pure mineral spirit. A glaze is done with a mix of mineral spirit, linseed oil, and the Mar varnish. But here I want the paint to dry quickly, so pure mineral spirit. It also, when you're putting mineral spirit into your paint, it dulls the color. So I would not recommend to do a glaze with your color with pure mineral spirit because of the dulling effect. For those who are new on this channel, I document every single step it takes to copy an old master painting in oil. I show you the full process, the successes and the mistakes, and everything in between. I have started a Patreon so that if you enjoy this journey and want to support me and the channel, you now can. Your support helps me keep producing these detailed videos and keep the old masters' traditions alive for today's artists. If you are an artist yourself and sometimes feel stuck in your own process, I also offer a special Patreon tier where you can join me once a month for a private one-on-one coaching session on Zoom. It's a great way to get feedback, ask your questions, and get past those frustrating roadblocks in your own work. On Zoom, and I'll show you if you want to buy. Whoops! Sorry about that. Just have the camera off. Okay, so all right. This is a real mousse stick. There's that little ball here with chamois, so it won't slide. But you can also take a cane, and with the top of the cane you can put it on the top of the canvas and work your way here also. Both works. I'm just placing my highlights and I'll take care of the edges after. When you're painting folds, look for those Y shapes. Y shapes. it's coming back over and over again. Specific why. Why am I doing that? Why shapes. Okay. Now, with a brush, I will smooth these hard edges. We'll also bring back. I'm getting too dark. This area. Just bringing back my work, just reworking it. Really bring these fold, these highlight a little bit more. Looking for these Y shapes. It's better. Now I will, no, here it's too, sorry about that, it's too narrow. I want to give some thickness to the color. And also I like to have these little zigzag, because if you're making it too straight, it will not look real. Make sure I will walk away from my work, looking distant, and I need some folds here. I'm losing some folds. I need some fold here. Yeah. Don't have to put too much because it's going away. It's in the dark side of the painting and it's going away. I don't want to overwork because it's you need to choose your area to work. If you overwork everything, it's busy and it will catch the eye and it will flatten your work. So I think this is enough here. Just no more than that. Okay, now to push that back a little bit. Let's try this guy and few drops of mineral spirit. Well, our thing about mineral spirit, buy high quality mineral spirit. because with the fumes you can get sick. So I would highly recommend that you invest in a good high quality mineral spirit. Don't buy the cheap spirit that you can find in the hardware store. Order less mineral spirit and really high quality. Let's make a test. Oh, that's good. Not too dark, just a little bit, just a tap to get rid of these. It's too high light, just to push, just a half a step in your value. I want to keep a few highlight because it suggests the fold that I want to keep, but just the overall average tone needs to get just a little darker. Make sure that your blender is always clean as much as possible. Okay, I'll add just a tiny raw umber is really powerful because I want it to turn. I will start with the junction or sleeve in my background. It's almost the same value. It won't work. With my blender, we'll work this edge here. All right, yeah, it's better. It was supposed to be a forearm video. It's always the same. Once I'm starting to work in an area, there's much more work to do than I thought initially. Always more to do. Corrections. Okay, not okay. This is too dark. I'll change. I'll go for a round. And all right. Because these are too dark. That's the same value. Still the same value. some white because this is really small. Okay, this brush here, I want to keep it for my white, so I'm not using it for other things. This needs to be white, this needs to be, if I use it and trying to pick up something else and working it, it will become dirty. You need another paint brush. This guy. Okay, I'm gonna go take some white, but because I'm working with darker paints, it's gonna mix on my canvas. And when I will try to work these folds with pure white, it's not gonna work. You will have a dirty brush and you won't be able to bring having a pure white in pastel. Okay. This is better. Away. And yeah. Okay, that's good for now. Let's work the forearms.